today's video, I'm going to review this cool AI tool called BuzzRep that helps you reply smarter on social media and grow your audience faster. I will also show you a full demo so you can see exactly how it works on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. If you have been struggling with engagement or just want to save time while connecting with the right people, this is perfect for you. And if you want to check it out yourself, I have dropped the link in the description below. So let's jump right in. So now let's talk about what is BuzzRep all about. So basically, this is the cool AI powered Chrome extension that's made to help you get more attention and followers on social media. Instead of just posting content and hoping people notice, BuzzRep helps you jump into conversations by giving you smart and thoughtful replies to comments, posts, or even direct messages. The idea is that social media isn't just about shouting your message out loud, but actually being part of the chat that's already happening. When you reply in a meaningful way, people notice you more, which boosts your engagement and visibility. So, BuzzRep's job is to make that replying part easier and more effective by suggesting the right kind of responses, saving you time and helping you grow your presence naturally. Alright, let me break down the key features of BuzzRep for you. First up, it's got the smart AI that actually reads the conversations and comes up with replies that sound natural and fit your style. No generic copy paste stuff. Then it even lets you pick the tone you want for your replies, like friendly, sarcastic, expert, or warm. And you can even create your own tone so it matches exactly how you want to come across. Plus, it works smoothly across big social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, so you can use it everywhere you hang out online. And the best part, it helps you respond super fast, like replying to comments or messages in seconds, which means you can engage way more people but spending way less time doing it. And don't worry, it makes your replies feel real and consistent with your brand, so you never sound like a robot or a copy paste machine. So now let's talk about why should you even care about BuzzRep. Well, the biggest thing is it helps you get noticed without having to consistently post new stuff. Instead, you show up in conversations where people are already paying attention. It lets you reply in your own voice by picking different tones or even making your own, so your replies always feel like you. Plus, it's super fast, so you can reply quickly without feeling overwhelmed or burnout. When you keep engaging consistently, it actually builds momentum. People start trusting you and remember you more, which grows your presence naturally. It also protects your unique style even if you are replying to tons of messages every day, so your brand voice never gets lost. And honestly, it helps you skip the overthinking part when you are replying to big accounts. So the bottom line is BuzzRep helps you engage more, save time, and avoid burnout from trying to come up with new posts all the time. So let me break down exactly how BuzzRep works in real time. First, you start by scrolling through your social media feed, whether you are on LinkedIn, Twitter, which is now called X, or Facebook. The key here is to find posts from people who have a similar audience to yours, because that way your replies actually reach the right crowd who might be interested in what you offer. Once you spot a post that fits, you click the usual comment or reply button. Nothing new or complicated, right? That's when BuzzRep's interface pops up right inside the comment box. And here is where it gets interesting. It gives you a bunch of different tones to choose from, like friendly, supportive, enthusiastic, or even questioning. So you can decide how you want to come across depending on the situation or your brand's personality. After you pick your tone, the AI quickly analyzes the original post content and context, then generates a reply that fits naturally with your conversation. You don't have to just trust it blindly though. You get to review the reply, tweak it if you want to add your own personal touch, or fix anything that doesn't quite sound right. Once you are happy with it, you just hit post like normal. What's really cool is how fast this all happens. You can make several thoughtful replies in just a few minutes, which is way faster than typing each one from scratch. Another big plus is how seamlessly BuzzRep integrates into your existing social media experience. There is no need to switch apps or deal with complicated setups. It just show up when you start replying. The whole point of this tool is to help you engage smarter and more strategically. focusing on conversations that actually matter to your niche or industry. This way, you are not wasting time replying randomly. Instead, you are driving real traffic, followers, and potential leads back to your own profile, and all without spending hours every day on social media. Alright, that's my take on BuzzRep. Honestly, I think it's a really smart tool for anyone wanting to save time and boost engagement on social media without sounding robotic. It makes replying way easier and more effective. If you want to check it out yourself, the link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful reviews. See you on the next one.